as you can see over here, it says that this is an empty rectangular tank measuring 80 by 65 by 24. These are all information that I'm pretty sure you know what to do with them. Tab A was turned on first. Very important information, right? It means that I did not turn on tab B when tab A was turned on. All right. So what happens is that we know that for tab A, right? For tab A is actually 3 liters per minute. That means to say 1 minute is equals to 3 liters. Okay. Whereas for tab B, right? Tab B, we can see after 10 minutes, tab B was turned on 1 minute. All right, it was 1.74 liters. Now, what is the meaning of after 10 minutes? It means that, right, if I were to draw a timeline, every time it is a rate, we have to draw a timeline 0 to 10. I only had tab A. From 10 all the way on, which I don't know how long did they turn it on, I have tab A plus B. And this is a crucial information. Okay. Now, what you want to do first is, of course, you ask yourself, right? Okay, so then the 2 taps were turned off once the tank was filled to the brim. Okay, now the question wants us to find how much water was needed to fill the tank to the brim. The first thing I want to do is definitely to find the volume of the tank, or in fact, I would prefer if I use the word capacity of the tank, right? Capacity means what can the tank hold. All right, so capacity of the tank. So what can the tank hold? Capacity of the tank, therefore we do 65 times 80 times 24. All right, and we get to an answer of 124,800 centimeter cube. Now, when that happens, what you can do, you need to know that this whole thing must be 124,800 centimeter cube. Okay, now, so the next thing you want to do is, of course, you find, right? If 1 minute, okay, if tab A is able to use, 3 liters, so how, not use, but contribute, give 3 liters, how much will tab B produce in 10 minutes? So we simply just do 3 times 10 and that gives me 30 liters. Okay, so 30 liters is also equals to 30 times 1000. That gives me 30,000 centimeter cube. Now, whereas from 10 minutes onwards is tab A and B. So we are going to write down that 1 minute, you always have to combine them together. 1 minute, we will have 4.74 liters of water going in after the 10-minute mark, right? Now, so how much more water is needed? Because we already have 30,000, right? So what are we going to do? We are going to minus away 30,000. So 124,800 minus away 30,000, we get to 94,800 centimeter cube. So this is the amount of water that I will still need. Okay, so what I want to do is, of course, to change this to 4.74 times 1000, we get to 4740 centimeter cube. So if 1 minute will allow the tab A and B to contribute 4740, how many minutes does it take for tab A and B to fill 94800? So all we need to do is just simply 94800 divided by 4740. Okay, so 94800 divided by 4740. Okay, we get to an answer 94800 divided by 4740, we get to an answer of 20 minutes. Okay, so therefore, what they're trying to say is that from this point all the way to the end, all right, which is the brim, you will need 20 minutes. Now, the question says, how much water was needed to fill the tank to the brim? Of course, we already got our A answer. Now, then for B, right, the question asks, how long was tab B turned on? We know that tab B was turned on for 20 minutes. Okay, so therefore the part B is 20 minutes. The first one is 124,800 centimeter cube.